Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to be returning to Shantideva Center in September. And on Saturday, September 9th, during the weekend that I am there, we're going to do a workshop that's called The Healing Power of Forgiveness. Forgiveness is something that those of you who have engaged in it know the healing benefits of it. But if you haven't been able to engage in a full process of forgiveness, this is a wonderful opportunity to develop some skills around that. And even if you have engaged in forgiveness, hopefully to strengthen those skills and to be able to work with forgiveness from a Buddhist point of view. That's actually where we'll begin the workshop, is taking a look at the teachings the Buddha gave that are the justification for having a mind of forgiveness, for engaging in that practice. And then for the remainder of the day, we'll primarily be working with the methodology that Jack Kornfield, a wonderful Buddhist teacher, has put together for how to approach the process of forgiveness. In that, he begins with the initial step of forgiving ourselves, which is something we often skip over. But it's important to begin with an acknowledgement of the ways that we have harmed others, and that we need to initially extend that forgiveness to ourselves for the wrongs that we have done towards others. The second step is then to seek forgiveness of others for those things that we have done that have harmed them. And even though that might not involve an actual apology, as part of that, we will take a look at the process of apologizing so that we understand when an apology becomes more complete and therefore becomes a better means of extending ourselves to others with more trust and confidence that we won't engage in similar behavior again. Finally, the kind of final step of this process of forgiveness that Jack Kornfield put together is the actual work of forgiving others for the harms that they've done to us or to those that we love, and so on. And obviously this is where the real healing power can be seen in terms of our relationships with others. If we are able to forgive them from the depths of our heart by examining these teachings and finding that space for forgiveness, and then if we can even extend that forgiveness to them through words and so on. And this is an important part of healing our relationships with others and developing a deeper compassion and commitment to other beings. So hopefully you can join us for this workshop on that day. It'll be a wonderful opportunity to work with this very powerful quality of forgiveness and to develop some skill around that. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.